Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I am showing you how to withdraw money from your Phantom wallet to your bank account in just a few easy steps. First of all, if you have crypto in your Phantom wallet like Solana or any other token, you will need to convert it to a stable coin like USDC or to USD. To do this, go to your Phantom wallet, select your Solana balance and tap swap. Choose USDC as your receiving token and confirm the swap. Next, you will need to send this USDC to a crypto exchange that allows bank withdrawals. Popular options are Coinbase, Binance, and Kraken. Copy your ESDC deposit address from the exchange. Go back to Phantom, click on send, paste your address and confirm. Once the funds arrive on your exchange account, go to the withdraw section, select your USDC balance and choose bank transfer as your withdrawal method. Enter the amount, confirm the transaction, and your funds will be on their way to your bank. And that's it. If this was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Thanks for watching.